Griefs. I measure every grief I meet with analytic eyes. I wonder if it weighs like mine, or has an easier size. I wonder if they bore it long, or did it just begin? I could not tell the date of mine, it feels so old a pain. I wonder if it hurts to live, and if they have to try, and whether could they choose between, they would not rather die. I wonder if when years have piled, some thousands, on the cause of early hurt, if such a lapse could give them any pause. Or would they go on aching still, through centuries above, enlightened to a larger pain, by contrast with the love? The grieved are many, I am told, the reason deeper lies. Death is but one and comes but once, and only nails the eyes. There is grief of want, and grief of cold, a sort they call despair. There's banishment from native eyes, in sight of native air. And though I may not guess the kind correctly, yet to me a piercing comfort it affords, in passing Calvary, to note the fashions of the cross of those that stand alone, still fascinated to presume that some are like my own.